Creating offset outlines is a creative tool that helps us create shadow layers or inset versions of a shape or shapes. For example, this square has had the offset outline applied to it twice to give me two successively larger squares. Let me now show you how this works. Let's move that off to one side and bring in these other shapes. Now first I will tell you that the offset outline can be applied to all basic shapes, all borders, all logos and all text. It can even be applied to your own unique shapes. There is no limit. To access it, we select the shape that we want to apply an outline to. Then we go to the Edit menu and go to the Offset Outline tool. Tap it and you will get this pop-up box appear. Set the spacing between the edge of the original shape and the edge of the new shape that you want. Then choose the offset direction. Then select what you want to do with the original shape after the offset outline has been created. And then choose the corner type. Tap OK. And the outline will be created and it will be placed on top of the original shape. So thinking back to our earlier lectures, we can send that backwards to be behind the original shape. Obviously when you come to cut, you will want to position it somewhere else so that it's not directly on top or behind the shape that you create. That's the same for either of these two shapes. When it comes to borders, you have landlocked areas. So you may want to apply a different approach. Access the offset tool in the same way, but this time under options, you will deselect this option here. Then, if there is space, Canvas Workspace will apply a border to the inside of a shape. As you can see, these are currently grouped, but if I use my process overlap tools to subtract these shapes, they will punch them through. Do be careful of very small areas like this or like this, as they may cause bunching or screwing up of your cardstock while cutting. When it comes to text, again, access the tool in the same way. This time I'm going to send the line inwards. I will set it to be very fine and I will delete the original shape and change the corner type to be round. When I tap OK, the new shape is created, the original is deleted, and then if I select the new shape and apply subtract, that will then punch all those extra shapes through and leave me with just this brand new shape. In other versions of Canvas Workspace, it's not possible to apply an outline until you have converted text to shapes. However, in this version, you can. And you can see it's that simple. One thing to note, however, when changing your text, the shadow layer is not updated, so you will need to create a fresh shadow layer if you need to make any changes to the text.